An exponential function of the form y equals a times b to the x passes through the points 529 and 1588. Find the initial value a of the exponential function. So I'm just going to run to my calculator and do exponential regression using these two guys as my two data points. So this one is just a good old-fashioned exponential regression problem. Hit stat, hit edit. My 2 points are 529, enter, enter. And then my other guy is 1588, enter, enter. Quit out of it. I don't need to use this equation later. I just need to find the equation. So let's go to stat. Let's go to 0, which is my exponential regression. And it gives me the equation once I go to calculate. Y equals 16.64 blah, blah, blah times blah, blah, blah to the blah, blah, blah. But the only blah, blah, blah I care about is that 16.6477, which rounds up to 648. The answer is C. So according to this, the A value that I got was 16.648, which is C. Pretty easy.